This is Tasman Bridge, city of Hobart. So this bridge here is that bridge. There you go. See this beautiful view of Hobart. Check that bridge. That's coming there.
Now we are on the way to Mount Wellington. The road is narrow. It is roughly 12 kilometers from all the way down to top.
All the way on top, Erida?
Yeah, we are near it, yeah.
Is that Luca?
300 meters, yeah. Okay, now I'm on the top of Mount Wellington. You can see this beautiful view here. Today is sunny, so we were thinking like we need jacket or jumper, something like that on the top, but we need nothing. So it's sunny and so beautiful here. So you can see these rocks. There is a tower there. See the tower? And we are on the top. See the rocks and everything. Also the beautiful view from here all the way down there. We'll go there and there's a walking trail, and then we'll walk, and also all the views here. But when you guys want to come here, make sure you bring your jumper with you, because anytime weather can change, because it's all the way in the top. So even you can see the mountains there. So it's kind of windy, but not that much. We are lucky today because it's sunny. See these rocks and the small bushes here, and there is a tower there. I saw it just before. See, literally we are on the top. We are on the top of mountain. Literally we are on the top of mountain. This is one of the most visited place in Tasmania. Okay, if you are in Hobart, please do come here and visit it. It's like 12 kilometers all the way from down to here, but it will take roughly 40 to 45 minutes, because it is all the way top and then narrow road. See guys, I told you before, yeah, weather is unpredictable, so you have to be careful. You get jumper with you guys. See, everyone is wearing now. See, I'm wearing jacket. You get it when you are on the top of this mountain, Mount Wellington. Now you can see how famous this place is. See, the parking is full. See, our group is there. See, full parking. Okay, we'll go through this trail. I'll show you what is behind this, okay? See this beautiful? Wow, it's literally beautiful, man. See, let's see this tallest person here. Who is this guy?
This guy is having
They're climbing the rock. At least kids will enjoy too.
Yes, I'm enjoying.
See this tourist attraction. See people are taking picture there.
Me and my brother was trying to play a game called Who Can Lift the Biggest Rock. We found this rock. It doesn't look like a rock. When we looked inside, it has blue and it's shiny. It's definitely not a crystal, but like it's a pretty cool rock. It looks like it's made from a volcano.
Okay, let's go through this trail and see this beautiful view from this Mount Wellington. Hope you can see all these beautiful view from all the way top of mountain. We'll see what we can see from here. Let's check what we can see from here. There's the eagle. You can see from here. I'll go outside and capture. I couldn't capture, it's clear from here. I'll go all the way down. If you can see that bridge there, we came from all the way there.
Oh, don't go. Come on.
No. Beautiful view from here, you can see. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying, huh?
Hey guys, if you are planning to visit this Mount Wellington or if you have already visited this place, please share your experience.
Okay, we are done from here. We're leaving now.
They're right there and just there. That's
It's
good.
too busy here. It's busy. See the people around? Hope you guys enjoyed this Mount Wellington view from here. I'm hoping you have all enjoyed. Now I'm going there. Let's see. It says the pinnacle area. If you see here, just there, it says pinnacle area. Flag station. We're climbing here, going top. Thank you. What's there? So we're on the top now. I'm here in the top. See this view.
I'm going now.
360 view.
Should have some steps up.
Be careful.
Yep, that's all you do. You slide down.
Down here. It's hot at the top. Jumping down. Dad, don't go there, please. Come.
I need to see what's on what stable. No, it's just a straight.
Oh, getting down now. For today we are done with Mount Wellington. मजाले भ्यूहरु हेर्यो हैन कस्तो लाग्यो तिमीहरुलाई रमाइलो लाग्यो नि सबैलाई प्रब्लमलाई ल मम्मीलाई पनि रमाइलो लाग्यो हैन एकदम रमाइलो लाग्यो
धेरै रमाइलो लाग्यो
अनि सजिदा हाउ डिड यु
एकदम रमाइलो लाग्यो एकदम राम्रो ब्युटिफुल ठाउँ
ल अब चाहिँ आजको हाम्रो टुर सक्यो है
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed our Mount Wellington vlog. And if you enjoyed our video, please like, share and comment. And most important thing is, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. I have already uploaded one video that is related to Launceston, Hobart and Port Arthur. If you have not watched that video yet, I'll leave the link in the description below. Please do watch.